How to connect virtual tablet to PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to turn your Android tablet into a virtual drawing tablet for your Windows PC using the Virtual Tablet app. Whether you're a digital artist or just want a precise pen input, this is a simple and effective solution. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the software on your PC. First, on your PC, open your browser and go to this website. Download and install the Virtual Tablet server for Windows. Once it's installed, open the server software. You will see connection options like Wi-Fi, USB, and Bluetooth. Step 2. Install the app on your Android tablet. Now, on your Android tablet, go to the Google Play Store and search for Virtual Tablet by Sunnyside Soft. Install the app and open it. Make sure both your tablet and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, or prepare your USB cable if you prefer a wired connection. Step 3. Connect the tablet to your PC. Back on your tablet, choose your connection method, Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth. If you're using Wi-Fi, tap Connect via Wi-Fi, and enter your PC's IP address showing the Virtual Tablet server. Once connected, your tablet will act as a pen input device, just like a Wacom tablet. Step 4. Test the drawing function. Open a drawing program on your PC like Photoshop, Krita, or even MES Paint. Try using your pen or finger on the tablet. It should now control your PC's cursor with pressure sensitivity, if your device supports. Quick tips. For better performance, use a USB connection. You can also adjust pen pressure and screen area in the Virtual Tablet server settings. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to connect your Android tablet to your PC and use it as a virtual drawing tablet. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.